Our team believes that when crafting environmental policies, there needs to be a balance between saving the environment and ensuring human civilization's ability to function. This is something we want to demonstrate in our project.
So our proposal concept is to create an interactive display that links policy decisions to climate change outcomes. In this display, users choose between actions and can judge their effects on the climate. In particular, we chose to make it interactive so that the user feels a sense of ownership both over the decision-making process as well as the displayed outcome. We hope that at the end, the user can agree that climate change is important, relevant, and should be addressed right away.
Our product will take on the form of an engaging and interactive quiz, which consists of various everyday life scenarios. For example, the question could be, how would you get to work? And the options are, take a Grab, take your car, or take public transport. With each answer, intuitive data visualization diagrams will be presented, such that participants can effortlessly understand their impacts. Suggestions will then be provided for them to minimize their carbon footprints. With this quiz, we aim to raise awareness on the severity of climate change, which is a slow burn issue that many people may neglect since it is a very gradual process. Our product will challenge the perceived mild risk of climate change and highlight the actual risk and severity of climate change. Lastly, we also hope to encourage behavior to the fight against climate change through our suggestions.
With our proposal, we aim to create a fun, interactive article to inform individuals an accurate overview of climate risk in Asia. So our objective is to construct a personally relatable, yet accurate, interactive article that readers can get to play around with different parameters such as the country of origin, year, and what kind of side effects they can feel from the decisions that they choose. So the key message is to showcase the extent of risk of climate change with respect to their individual lives.
We were drawn to the idea of using data visualization as a means to communicate risk. So that was another reason why we thought Optigram was a good chance for us to learn both about climate change as well as how to use a particular method of communicating risk.
The idea for my proposal is to represent the death from causes related to climate change in the form of a mandala picture. So a mandala is the drawing of a very intricate flower shape, and it can consist of many dots and lines. For my proposal specifically, I would be using only dots, and each dot would be representing a casualty from a cause related to climate change. I hope that from visualizing the number of casualties that are related to climate change, the audience would be more able to internalize the problems a little bit more, understand that climate change is a real thing and it does relate to more deaths that shouldn't have happened in the first place, and encourage people to take more actions.